Now see if it could get approved by a guy with a foot fetish. Feet. Everybody has them. So I'm going to show you how to draw the 4 most common foot poses.
Number 1, front view.
So this one is going to start off as a trapezoid. And I like to start off the big toe a little off to the side. And from here I draw a curve for the bottoms of the toes. And I start off with the big toe. So 1 big boy here. And then I move on to the 4 little toes, the little boys. I split the remaining area in 2 and then split it again into 2, making it 4. The lines for the toes are going to curve, so they're going to go this way. But I take that line and I curve it. So I'm going to do that for the remaining toes. And I'm going to connect this edge over here, curve it a little bit. And the last part is the ankles. The ankle on the inside of the foot is going to be at the top of the trapezoid. The ankle on the outside of the foot is going to be lower and a lot bigger. So once you have all that down, you can erase away your guidelines and reveal your foot.
Magnífico.
Number 2, side view.
This one is going to start off as a right triangle. And pretty much most of the foot is done once you have that down. You only need 4 parts after this. The heel, the ankle, the arch, the toe, and the leg. So for the heel, we're going to draw another right triangle on the outside. It's going to signify the heel, and you curve it off. You curve it to pull out that heel. At the tip of the triangle, make another line to signify where the toes are going to be at. And from there, about halfway through the bottom, just put an arch and connect it with the heel and the toe area. And you want to curve that too to represent the ball of the foot. Now to do the toe, you just do another curvy boy and connect it with the ball of the foot. And then connect it to the hypotenuse. And the last part that we need is the actual leg. So that's just going to be extending the line from the heel and drawing the front of the leg. Oh yeah, the ankle. The ankle is just a little curve.
Left foot 2 stumps.
Number 15, Burger King foot lettuce.
I started this one off with a bin of lettuce. And the best way to approach this one is to start off with the basic shape of the foot, which starts with the heel, arches out to the toes, and the inside arch, and back to the heel. It's like the bottom of a shoe. And from here we could draw guidelines for the toes, and then you split up the toes, drew that, put in that big boy, split the remaining area in half, and then half again. And you just curve that off into each toe. And the last part is to do the heel and the bridge of the foot. And now just erase away the guidelines.
Number 4, hashtag that's my fetish.
Yeah, no.
I like to split it up into 3 portions. First being the ball of the foot. And then I split. And then I add in the heel. And then I make another shape for the toes. This one is a little more tricky though. So again, I'm splitting off the big boy and then dividing the remaining area into 4 parts. But here the top of the toe curves inward. Rather than just rounding these shapes off like that, what you do is make them drop down like this. So each one curves. It has a curve right here at the knuckle right before it comes in. So the toes are curling inwards. And as you get closer to the big toe, the straighter the little toes are. Then you just finish off the big toe. And then draw in the rest of the foot, which is the heel down here. And the bridge of the foot. And the ankle if you want. And then you can embellish the pad of the foot with a line. That's the best part. And now you just erase away your guidelines. One thing you want to look out for is not making your toes too long, because then you'll have like foot fingers. Now see if it could get approved by a guy with a foot fetish.